Unlocking the meaning of watching every penny. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, watching every penny. If you've ever wondered what it means to be mindful of your spending or how to express financial caution in English, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the layers of this phrase together. The expression, watching every penny, refers to being very careful about how much money one spends. It's used to describe a situation where a person is trying to save money or is on a tight budget, ensuring that they do not waste any money unnecessarily. The word, watching, here implies a careful observation or monitoring, while every penny signifies the smallest units of currency, emphasizing the extent of carefulness over one's finances. While the exact origins of the phrase are not clear, it's deeply rooted in the importance of frugality and financial management. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings. You might hear it in conversations about budgeting, during financial planning discussions, or even in advice given to someone going through tough economic times. It's a versatile phrase that reflects a universal concept of financial prudence. To help you better understand how to use watching every penny, let's look at some examples. In personal finance, with the wedding coming up, we're watching every penny to make sure we can cover all the expenses. In business, the startup is still in its early stages, so we're watching every penny to avoid running out of our seed funding. Advice giving. If you're planning to travel around Europe on a budget, you should start watching every penny now. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, highlighting its flexibility and relevance in discussions about money. The concept of watching every penny is not unique to English-speaking cultures but resonates globally, reflecting a universal understanding of financial caution. However, in English, it encapsulates the cultural importance placed on financial responsibility and the value of saving, making it a useful phrase for learners to connect with broader themes of economy and personal finance in English-speaking contexts. We hope this exploration of watching every penny has shed some light on this intriguing phrase and its place in the English language. Whether you're navigating the complexities of budgeting or looking to express financial caution, remembering this phrase can add depth to your conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you on your journey to mastering English. Stay tuned for more insights and happy learning.